Hello all, welcome to this video, and today we are going to see how you can create a Google site, and after creating a Google site you can add your own code in the Google site pages. Okay, this is actually a website that is already published. If you see, this is the URL of my website. If I refresh this, you can see this. This is very simple. There is nothing, there is only one page which is having heading as files, and let me show you from the start. Okay, now what you do when you log in, when you go to the browser, just paste this link sites.google.com. When you go to the website, you will be able to see this kind of interface where you have got a blank site and there are some templates, and these are the recent sites that you have created. Okay, now let me go for a blank site. If you want, you can take portfolio and all, no matter. Let me go to the blank site. As soon as you go, you can see that your page title, pages, there is a home page and themes. If you choose a theme like this, you can see that this particular site, Google Sites, will not require any code. But in case if you want to write a website using code, that is also possible. I'm going to show that only today. If you want, you can choose this. There are some themes, you can choose any of them. Let me choose this one. Now go to insert tab. When you go to insert tab, okay, let's imagine that your website is having only one page and there is nothing much that you can do. So you can go to pages. If you click on this add, you can just click on this. It will ask the page name. Let me create a page, papers. Okay, done. As soon as you create a page, that will be displayed here in the pages tab, and you can see here with home you have got papers, right? And if you just click on this papers, home, papers. Okay, the home page you can write welcome. You can write whatever you want. Now actually you can edit this. You can give your own fonts. You can give a semi bold, something like this, and you can drag and drop it wherever you want. Okay, your site name you can say demo site. It's all left way, and this is the starting page. You can increase the width if you want. All these things can be done. If you want everything having a different color, you can do. If you want, it is all left to you. Okay, now if you go to papers page, if you want it to be having the same style, you can go here, medium, papers. All right, now let's imagine that you want to add your own code. You want to write hello world here. Just by double clicking here, you can add text. This is coming default by the Google. For whatever you add here, everything Google will add code for these things in the backside. So you need not worry about the code. But if you want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can actually add it. You can go for this embedded code. Now let's imagine that you want to write hello world or something. Okay, before writing this one, let me publish my website, home and papers. I have got two tabs. Just go to this publish button. As soon as you click on this, it will ask you what is going to be your web address. You can see here https sites.google.com and view, and here just you are going to type whatever the URL you want. let me write demo site for you, something like this. If you see here, okay, this is not valid. Demo site 1, still it is taken 12. Okay, this is available, demo site 12. You can actually, if you want, you can check this. If you don't want the Google search engine to any search engine to search website, just click this. To not to search this website, then click this one, then just publish. As soon as you publish, you can see that you will have a link here, copy published site link. Just copy the link. If you go here and paste it, you can see, just remove this paper, you can see your own website here, demo site, right? You can see home, papers, you can see whatever you have done, it is visible here. Now you want to write code, you want to learn writing a code, you can go for this one. Or okay, you want to embed, means you want to show in the papers page itself your code. Let's go to embed code. Here you write h1 hello world. You need not worry about writing HTML tag and all, already it will be added. Okay, if you want you can write, there is no problem. Say next, and you can see here hello world. This is just a preview, and you go for insert. As soon as you type insert, it will add a div for your code. Spelling is wrong, let me correct it. Just click on this edit button and say next and say okay. You see, in this way you can edit also. If you do some mistake, there is no problem. This way actually you can embed your code. Now let's see how you can add your own pages. If you click on this, okay, if you just hover on this, you will have full page embedded. Click on full page embedded. It will ask you the name of the page. New page, new page, and say done. As soon as you click done, what you can do is add embedded, or you can upload your code into the Google Drive and you can add it from there. I'll go for this embedded code again, h1. I can write something else. This is my first web application using Google Sites, right? And do this one, then say next and just insert. Now you can see that you have got total 3 pages: papers, new page, and home. You can see all these 3 pages, right? If you want to edit this, you can edit. Okay, if you see, and if you want to add style, whatever I have written, I want to color it in red. Let's imagine that h1, their coding experience is not that good. Color red, right? So next and save. Actually you can write your own styles, or you can write JavaScript also, no problem. And if I say publish, it will show you the comparison of the currently published website and at present whatever you have done. If you click on this, you can see 3 options here, but if you click on this, you can see only 2 options, because the website which is published before is having only 2 options. This is recently added. Now if you want to publish, just say publish, and when you come here to your website and just reload this, it will take some time. Okay, still it has not come because I am looking here for three options, right? Now you can see I have got all the three pages. If I click on papers, see there is a loading here and you can see your own code here, right? If you go to this page, you can see your own code. This is first web application using Google Sites. This way actually you can use to customize your Google site. It is not that you can only use available templates. You can design your own buttons. You can add it here, no problem. Now let's imagine that you want to add an embedded Google Drive code. Now let me go to this drive and there are so many things. Okay, let me take this file, insert. It is asking it's a viewer, right? Just say share. Now you can see that in the new page I have inserted this particular document and just say publish. We'll go and check whether it looks good or not and just say publish. If you go here, just refresh. Still it is old website. Still it is older one. Yes. Now you can see that you are able to see your own code, your own drive file here in your website. If you go to papers, you can see this. If you go to home, in this way, instead of sending the people to your Google Drive, actually you can have them here. You can make sure that your documents are shown in this particular website only. Okay, whenever you give the link of a Google Drive, it will take you to Google Drive application. But if you don't want that, you want the user should stay on your website only, you can actually go for this drive, or you can do it using code also that you do by yourself, but you can add a Google document in this way. Okay.